Hello, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to add text on video in CapCut. Firstly, we will open the CapCut app by clicking this. After this, we will click on the new project. After this, we will select the video. After this, we will click on the add and then we will simply click on the text. After this, we will click on this. After this, we will write something here. Then we will manage it like this. Then after this we will also manage the duration of the text. After this we will simply save the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.